Do you already know PEK 450? PEK 450 is test bench that diagnoses the operation of high-pressure injection nozzles in national and imported vehicles. I'm here with the developer of this test bench, Mario Pedro, is here. And he will tell you a little about the functionalities of this test bench.
The PEK 450 is the only high-pressure machine on the market. It was developed to just help when diagnosing the injectors. So it can reach up to 450 bars. You can visualize the operation of the injectors as if it were in the car engine, and is the only test bench that also has a correct electrical pulse of the injectors. Besides all this, is the only one test bench that can work with all four magnetic or piezo nozzles, ones from both BMW and Mercedes as well and other automakers, at same time.
Remembering that the PEK 450 was developed here in Brazil and provides precision in the maintenance of your customer's vehicle. Avoid rework and also avoid losses. To learn more, contact our team. Thanks.